Do you want to see all of your saved passwords on your Android phone? By following a few simple steps, you can easily find your saved passwords on your Google account on your Android phone. So first of all, you will have to open your phone settings and then scroll down until you get to Google Services. Tap on it and this will open your Google account. And then you can directly go to Password Manager from here, but if you don't have this option available, you can tap on Manage your Google account right here and then go to Security. And if you scroll down, you can find the Password Manager at the very bottom. You can tap on Manage Passwords, and here you find all of your saved passwords in your Google account. And tap on the desired app that you want the password from, and then this will ask for a verification. If you have set in your phone or any kind of authentication, you just allow it, and here it will show you your saved password, and you just basically click on this eye icon and this will reveal your password. It's as simple as that. You can do it for any app that you want or that you have saved, and that's it. Thank you for watching.